European markets facing losses in midday trading on Friday, May 16th. For news on that, as well as the Indian election, we're going to turn to Jonathan Browdy in the Deal's London newsroom. Jonathan.
Yeah, good morning, John. Indian markets took the limelight overnight as the thumping victory of Narendra Modi's pro-business opposition party, the BJP, became apparent. Mumbai's benchmark Sensex index reached an all-time high of 25,375 mid-morning, but his defeat of the incumbent Congress party had been pretty much priced in days, and the market soon fell back. In the end, the Sensex closed up 0.9% at 24,121. Modi's made great promises on infrastructure and clean government, though the BJP still opposes letting in foreign supermarkets like Walmart or Britain. Elsewhere in Asia and Europe, however, the mood was more cautious, following yesterday's big swings in sentiment. In Paris, the telecoms and cable sector was making all the connections. Cable and telecoms group Numericable, which last month won a battle to acquire Vivendi's SFR wireless services unit, announced it's in exclusive talks to buy Virgin Mobile France for about $446 million. Numericable was up nearly 0.4%. Meanwhile, Bouygues, the loser in the bidding war for SFR, is in talks with the biggest mobile player, Orange, reportedly looking at a possible $8 billion merger. Bouygues was up close to 4%, while Orange was up 0.7%. Meanwhile, in London, Carphone Warehouse, which owns a stake in Virgin Mobile France, fell nearly 4% on news of the impending deal with Numericable. But supermarkets were leading the stocks in London as rumours swirled that WM Morrison, the weakest of Britain's big four grocers that is, was the subject of a possible £6.4 billion bid, or $10.76 billion, from an unnamed private equity consortium. The company's shares rose more than 4.5% to 214.5 pence. That's all from me in London. Over to you in New York, John.
Thank you very much, Jonathan. Have a great weekend. It's Jonathan Browdy from the Deal's London newsroom.